present. And further, Mr Speaker, I give notice that the House 1 notes that the third round of the Tasmanian Government Innovation and Investment Fund closed on the 1st of November 2013, with applications currently being assessed. 2 further notes that the grants program assists Tasmania's businesses accelerate their growth by investing up to $250,000 on a match funding basis to support new projects that will generate new investment and create sustainable jobs to diversify and strengthen Tasmania's regional economy. 3 acknowledges that in round 1 of the program, 76 applications were received, proposing $48 million of new investment in Tasmania, including proposed private investment of $37 million, and that 10 projects were able to be funded, leveraging $5.9 million of private investment for a government investment of $1.8 million, and creating 122 new full-time jobs in the first 12 months. Further acknowledges that in round 2 of the program, 89 applications were received, proposing $51.6 million of new investment in Tasmania, including private investment of $39.2 million, and that 25 projects were able to be funded, leveraging $15.2 million of private investment for a government investment of $3.5 million, and creating 262 new full-time jobs for Tasmanians. 5 further acknowledges that rounds 1 and 2 of the program incentivised a total of $26.4 million in new investment in Tasmania and created a total of 384 new full-time jobs for Tasmanians, and additionally demonstrated through the large number of quality applications that Tasmanian businesses are ready and willing to invest heavily in Tasmania. 6 notes that an initial assessment of round 3 of the program shows that a massive 109 applications were received, with grant requests of $14.6 million, incentivising private investment of over $50 million, Mr Speaker, with a total proposed investment of almost $65 million. 7 further notes that if the government were able to fund all of the project requests, an additional 738 new jobs would be created. 8 remembers that while the state government has $1.5 million to fund round 3 of the program, the Australian government is yet to deliver a promised $11 million in funding to expand the program, which was committed and confirmed as a part of the Tasmanian Forest Intergovernmental Agreement. 9 acknowledges that the immediate delivery of this funding would enable nearly all of these projects or other projects to the same amount to receive funding, thereby injecting a total investment of nearly $65 million into the state's economy and creating 738 new jobs, Mr Speaker. And 10 calls upon the Australian government to immediately release this funding so that it can be distributed to Tasmanian businesses to incentivise increased private investment, speed the growth and development of Tasmanian businesses, and create sustainable, long-term new jobs for Tasmanians.